The next topic we're going to take a look at in statistics is range and outliers. Range is the positive difference between the largest and smallest values in a data set. All you have to do is use this formula, which is range is equal to highest value subtract the lowest value. Range provides information about the spread of data. Next, we have an outlier, which is a value that is much smaller or larger than the other data values. A data set may have one or more outliers or no outliers at all. I'll walk you through a couple of examples. First, we have range. So we have 7, 4, 3, 6, 2, 5, 8, and 3. All you have to do is take the formula from above. Range is equal to highest value, subtract lowest value, highest value in this data set is going to be 8, and the lowest value is going to be 2. So 8 subtract 2 is equal to 6. For outliers, I have two examples. For example 1, we have 18, 19, 79, 17, 20, and 12 in the data set. So you can tell right here that 79 is going to be the outlier. As you can see that the value is very different compared to all the other values in the data set. For example 2, we have 215, 141, 138, 131, and 66. 215 is going to be an outlier. And then we would also have 66 would be an outlier. Here we have an example with one outlier, and here we have an example of two outliers.